Most kids feel like they're not heard, but Model UN gives them the freedom to state their opinion the way that they feel, and they get to learn and meet different people from different countries and everything. Like, it's a beautiful thing. My name is Michelle Collum. I'm the parent of a king. This is our second year on Model UN with KIPP Chicago.
The delegation of the United States feels like this is the problem and it should be fixed.
King likes to talk a lot, and he always feels like it's important that he voices his opinion. Ms. Harris was his 6th grade teacher, and she brought the Model UN program into KIPP. She was like, I wonder if he would like to try out for it since he likes to talk a lot. And he signed up, and he's been doing good since.
Miss Michelle is absolutely incredible, and I honestly think this is the closest our Academy team has been this year, and that's a huge, huge testament to Miss Michelle. She is the person that is checking in with kids all day, every day. How are you doing? How was class today? What was going on? Is your position paper ready? So she very much is our team mom. Our kids call her mom, and she embodies what I think of when I think of true support of our kids. I think about like what she means to our kids, and then I also think of what she means to me, and I truly don't believe that our program would be what it is without her.
Everybody knows that they're my chicken nuggets, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm so proud of y'all for getting this far and actually growing into chicken tenders now.
I like having my mom on the team. At first I was kind of embarrassed, but then I realized how much of a positive impact she had on our team. The kids on our team feel like they could talk to her about anything, and she motivates the students and shows them that they can be better than what people think of them.
But I'm very honored to call her my mother, and I would just like to thank her for always being involved in my passions and interests.
He's grown so much. Just his whole demeanor now is different. He's more focused, and then the research that he has to do, he loves to do the research to have his facts. He loves stating facts. So he's grown a lot, a whole lot. He's amazing, and everybody should hear what he has to say.